Alright, in this video we're going to look at factoring something that's in what we call quadratic form. It doesn't look like an x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0, but it actually can be solved that way. So here we have a over a minus 3 quantity squared plus 5 times the quantity a over a minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. And I'll show you two ways, one where we just factor it, and the other way using the u substitution. So in order to make an a over a minus 3 quantity squared, we need to multiply a over a minus 3 times a over a minus 3. Our product is 6 and our sum is 5, so our factors will be 2 and 3. Okay. So if you FOIL that out, a times a is the a squared, which you got right there, and then we also multiply the a minus 3 times the a minus 3. That gives us the a minus 3 squared up there. Okay, and then FOILing the rest out, you have 3 of these and then 2 more. That makes the 5. And of course, the 2 times the 3 gives you the 6. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to set each factor equal to 0. So we'll have a over a minus 3 plus 2 equals 0. And what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. So we'll have a over a minus 3 is equal to negative 2. Then we're going to set a over a minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. So we're going to subtract 3 from both sides, and we'll have a over a minus 3 equals negative 3 after we subtract 3 from both sides. Now on both of these we're going to go ahead and clear the fractions, so we're going to multiply both sides by the LCM, which is a minus 3. So we're going to multiply both sides by a minus 3. Okay, so the a minus 3 is absorbed, and what we're going to have left on the first equation is just a on the right side. We're going to distribute that minus 2 through, so we'll get minus 2, minus 2a and plus 6. And then on the other one, the a minus 3 is absorbed, and we just have a equals, and then distribute that minus 3, minus a plus 9. Okay. Now for this equation here on the left, we're going to go ahead and subtract 6 and then add a. So we're going to move the 6 over to the left, and then we're going to add a here. But we don't have to quite do it this way. You could have done it by adding 2a to both sides. Oh wait, did we make an error here? No, yeah, we did. Okay, let's fix that. When we subtract a, that should be minus 3a. Sorry about that. Okay, and then we'll divide both sides by minus 3, and we'll get 2 equals to a. Okay, on the other side, we're going to add the 3a to the a to get 4a equals 9. Alright, something happened weird over here. Let's fix this. Alright, so one of our answers was a is equal to 2, and the other one is a is equal to 9 over 4. And make note that one of our restrictions was a couldn't be 3. But both these answers are okay, though. Okay. Now we can also do this with a u substitution. If we put the u to equal this, the a over a minus 3, then when we square u, you're going to be this piece right here. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go ahead and put u to be a over a minus 3. And then when we square u, so you're going to become a square, we get the quadratic term. So now we can rewrite this thing here as u squared plus 5u plus 6 equals to 0, and we're looking for a product of 6 and a sum of 5, so that's going to give you again u plus 2 and u plus 3. Solving both of those equal to 0, we'll have u equals -2, or u is equal to -3. Now remember, u is equal to a over a minus 3, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. And we've already worked this stuff out over on the left-hand side, so that procedurally after this, it's going to be the same thing. So you can certainly do this by factoring, but it is a little bit tricky just because of the a over a minus 3 just looks weird. But it really is just a factoring problem, and it takes a little practice, and you get the hang of these.